Hi everyone, welcome to Fluently Code. Today we are doing a listening practice and the topic is camping. I'll read a paragraph followed by listening comprehension questions. Let's begin. 夏天嘅來臨代表露營季嘅開始。我同幾個朋友喺幾日前去咗今年嘅第一個露營。其實我一直以嚟對露營都好抗拒，因為我覺得屋企有咁舒服嘅床，點解要自約瞓睡袋呢？但係因為朋友約咗我好多次，舊年佢成功說服我，冇諗到露營係會上癮㗎，因為你會發現嚟到大自然，煩惱係會消失，成個人都會好輕鬆。我哋開車去到郊野公園嘅停車場，再行10分鐘到風景優美嘅營地。我哋今次冇提前做功課，所以唔知道原來嗰10分鐘嘅路程係斜坡，要孭住好重嘅露營裝備行，真係有啲後悔帶咗咁多嘢。呢個營地嘅設施比較簡單，冇水龍頭，淨係有溪水，而廁所係流動廁所。我哋喺營地住咗一晚，半夜突然落雨，不過淨係落毛毛雨，所以冇受到太大影響。第二朝食完早餐之後，我哋執嘢走人。最後想提醒大家，記得帶走自己嘅垃圾，保持營地乾淨，咁樣下一位嚟露營嘅人都可以同你一樣，擁有一個美好嘅露營體驗。Let's move on to the listening comprehension questions. Question number 1. What does the arrival of summer represent? Question number 2. Was this my first camping trip ever? Question number 3. How did I feel about camping in the past and why? Question number 4. What surprised me about camping and why? Question number 5. Where did we drive to first? Question number 6. What didn't we know before arriving? Question number 7. What do I regret? Question number 8. How did I describe the campsite facilities? Question number 9. Why wasn't the rain a big problem? Question number 10. What reminder do I give at the end? If you'd like to review the full paragraph and check the answers for the listening questions, you can download the notes. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!